Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Comenity bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge and bring up the search bar and type in Comenity bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link d.comenity.net. Just click on that link. Now you'll be taken to the official website of Comenity. Over here you can see the sign in button at the right side of your screen. Just click on sign in button to sign in. Then the sign in form is shown over here. You just need to enter the username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. Click on remember me for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on sign in button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot username or password. From here you can easily recover your username or password. If you don't have any account of Comenity, just click on register now to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.